Steven, if you want, I'm gonna do a demo that will actually show you what a tiny feature is, because that's still pretty awesome. Here, I'll show a small little UX improvement too, and kudos to Sarah for helping make this look good and behave better. So we've got a filter here. I incorrectly put the filter on the wrong field, say it's on delivered at, and I really meant to do it as created at. We now have the ability to swap these things in line, so I can update it here and then change it here, so that it'll pop through and it'll update the underlying filter, and it'll maintain defaults and the filter mapping on the various tiles and the like too. So this is a truly small feature, but hopefully like a little quality of life improvement